Dear students, the next one from 10th standard electricity, one important topic. So, from the end of the topic, you should know that how to calculate that is electric bill. Okay, because you know that electric bill, if you observe the reading, they mention 300 unit, 200 unit. So, like that they mention. So, what is that meaning of unit? Okay, from the end of this topic, you should know. Okay. So, say for example, let us take one electrical devices. Okay, any one device. So, for example, a lamp, electric lamp. So, you know this is symbol of electric lamp. It will be connected with the battery. Okay, for example, it is the battery from the potential is V. Now, in the circuit, current flowing is there is I. Okay, so we know that while we passing the current, then it will be going. Okay. Right. So here, say for example, let's we pass half hour. Then after that we have to switch it off. We have to touch the that is electric lamp. We feel somewhat heat. So that means here energy dissipated in the form of heat. Okay. With respect to the time. Then one more way, that is energy consumed by this electric lamp. So that is known as electric power. So now we are going to discuss that is electric power. Electric power. So you know that electric power formula, that is the product value of current and voltage. This is already we derived from the Joule's law of heating. Okay, from Joule's law of heating effect we derive. Okay, right. Then we can say this unit now. Unit is that one unit is that is watt, or otherwise we can say voltage unit is volt, current unit is ampere. Okay, that is known as watt. Okay, so we can say that that definition for the power. Okay, say for example, it is mostly we can mention for a particular electrical device, because say for example electric lamp, if you buy electric lamp, they mention how much watt power, 15 watt, 16 watt, they mention in the electric bulb itself. Okay, so so we can say that definition, that is power consumed by that electrical device, that one ampere of current passing through the device at the potential difference of 1 voltage. So that is known as electrical power. Okay, right. So now we know electric power idea. And what about that? How to calculate that unit? That is electric bill reading. You know, unit. Actually, that is not electric power. That is electrical energy. Electrical energy. So what is the difference between electrical power and electrical energy? So you know that the power is equal to, that is the voltage into the current. But energy is nothing but what? Energy is nothing but work done. So we know that earlier formula, power is equal to work done divided by time. Power is equal to work done divided by time. Therefore, work done is equal to power into time. So power value into time. So that is a, what is it? Electrical energy. So I can write that electrical energy is equal to power into time. But you know what is the unit for power? Unit for power is what? Watt. Actually, the watt value is very small value. So for commercial purpose, we are using, what is that? Kilowatt. Okay. So kilowatt, and then time also not in second. That is, we can use the, we can take it as hour. So kilowatt hour. So energy unit, we can say that first of all power, not watt, it's a kilowatt. Kilowatt into the time value, not second, it's like hour. Okay, this calculate for commercial purpose. So that energy unit, we can say that kilowatt hour, it is in Swahili. Okay, but if you observe the electrical bill reading, the reading itself they mention in the electrical, electric board card. Okay, they mention 500 unit, 600 unit, 100 unit, like that reading. So actually, that what is that unit? Okay, so actually that unit only, that is a kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour. So that kilowatt hour is known as what is that, electrical energy only. But we know generally electrical energy is nothing but joule. So we should convert this kilowatt hour into some amount of joule will come. So what is that value? Okay. So let's see calculate. See that 1 kilowatt hour. So 1 kilowatt is nothing but what? 1000 watt into hour. Hour is nothing but 3600 seconds. Okay, so 1000 watt is watt or otherwise one more unit watt. Okay, so we can write here, power unit is watt. Power is equal to watt. Okay, power unit is watt. Then work done unit is joule. Divided by time unit is second. So joule per second. So watt or otherwise you can write joule per second into 3600 second. Second will be cancelled. So I can write as 36 into, see that here 30, here 20, totally 50. 10 power 5 joule. So this is known as 1 kilowatt hour. Or otherwise we can say 1 kilowatt hour is equal to, put decimal 1 point here, so 3.6 into 10 power 6 joule. So this is also correct. So now 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 power 6 joule. Actually this is we called as, what is it? 1 unit. Okay, in the electrical reading 100 unit, 200 unit, 300 unit. So that unit means that is equivalent value in joule, that is 3.6 into 10 power 6 joule. Okay. Okay students, I hope now you know what is electrical power and then what is electrical energy, then this electric power and electrical energy difference, then what is the meaning for unit. Okay.